everyone. Welcome to Bruhan Mumbai Municipal Corporation's Virtual Training Center, and I am Mrs. Nehal Kodambe, your English teacher from VTC. Let's begin with today's session. Welcome to today's session. See, my dear children, in Standard 6, we are learning many prose and poetry, stories and poems in English language, right? And at the same time we are learning many more new things about the language. And in today's session we are going to learn a very important topic or a very important part of the language. And what is that? So today's session we will begin with some very beautiful pictures. So see here. Oh, so funny. You have learned this song. Five little monkeys jumping on the bed, jumping on the bed. One fell down and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor says, no more monkeys jumping on the bed. So you can see here what they do. They jump. What monkeys are doing? They are jumping. What monkeys do? They jump. Okay? We will see some more pictures. Now, look at this picture. Who all are they? And what are they doing? So, you can see fish. And what are they doing? Swimming. Right? What do fish do? They swim. What do monkey do? They jump. Fish swim. Now, here you can see, oh my God, angry dog. What is he doing? Barking. What the dog is doing? Barking. So what does dog do? Bark. What does it do? Bark. Okay. Now one more pet animal I'll show you. Any guess? So cute little kitten. What is it doing? Do you know what the cat sound or noise is called? Now dogs bark, right? And cats purr. What is it called? Purr. You have learned that poem, Three Little Kitten Lost Their Mitten. In that poem, you have learned this word, purr. So here you can see the kitten is purr. What is it doing? Purr. What do they do? Purr. Dog bark and kitten or cat purrs. Okay. Now, next. Oh, what these girls are doing? Your favorite thing. In school or in garden, we do this. We play on seesaw. What are they doing? They are playing on seesaw. Then some more. What the children are doing. Look them carefully. Some children are playing on skipping rope. Some are playing with yo-yo. Isn't it? Some are playing on bars. So what the children are doing? They are playing. Children are playing. We have seen monkeys are jumping. Fish swimming. Dog barking, cat purring, and children are playing. What do they do? Monkeys jump, fish swim, dog barks, kitten purr, and children are playing. What do? They play. Now we will see one by one the actions which we have seen animals and people doing. One by one we will see monkeys jump. What do they do? Monkeys jump. Fish swim. Dog bark. Cats purr. And children play. So we have seen here 5 actions. Some are done by animals, some are done by children. Okay. So jump, bark, purr, swim, play. All these words are known as action words because we can see there some actions were taking place. Okay. Now we will see some more actions, different actions. Now in first picture, we can see someone is pouring water in the glass, right? It is known as, this action is known as pour. You can see someone is pouring water in the glass. Now there is a second picture. So cute. What that panda is doing? What is it doing? It is rolling over. Roll. See, you can see there. So nice and funny picture or action you can say. So here are two different actions. Someone is pouring the water in the glass and you can see an animal is rolling over. So these are also some more actions. We will see what these actions are called. So all these words shows actions. Jump, swim, bark, purr, play, pour and roll. We have seen all these actions and all these words swim, play, purr, pour, all these words are known as action words because they show you the actions and such words are known as verbs. In English, what do we call them? Verbs. हे जे ऍक्शन वर्ड्स तुम्ही आता पाहिले बाळांनो, आपण वेगवेगळे ऍक्शन्स पाहिले आणि त्याला काय म्हणतात ते आपण आता पिवळ्या त्या मी तुम्हाला गोलात दाखवलं. तर ते जे ऍक्शन्स वर्ड आहेत अशा शब्दांना इंग्लिश मध्ये वर्ब्स म्हणतात. VERBS, verbs. Okay, so all these words show action and such words are known as verbs. So in today's session we are going to learn more about these verbs. Have you understood what is verb? Okay, the action words. But it work, it roll is not that much. फक्त ऍक्शन दाखवायची एवढंच त्यांचं काम नसतं. तर आणखीन काय असतं ते आपण आजच्या भागामध्ये पाहणार आहोत. Now you can see here some of the actions which we do every day that we will see. Now what that boy is doing? Tell me, what is he doing? Yes, he is reading a book. And read the name of his book. What we are doing nowadays? Stay home. Read a book. You are sitting at home and you are learning from home. So stay home and read a book. So this boy is reading a book. Now what this girl from second picture is doing? Just look at her. She is writing something. So what action words we have used here? Any guess? What? Yes, you're right. Read and write. This write is writing something. Okay? So reading, writing, and some more are there. See here actions. Read and write. These are the action words for these actions. Now as I told you some more actions. What this girl is doing, that little one is eating something. What is she eating? Yes, she is eating a burger. So which action is this? Now you can tell me. Yes, you're right. Eat. Which is this action? Eat. And one more action we will see. What this girl is doing? She is walking. So we can use action word walk. So we have seen some actions which we do daily, right? Read, write, eat, walk, talk, to bath. Okay, so all these actions we do in our everyday life. आपण ह्या काही गोष्टी आपल्या रोजच्या आयुष्यात रोजच करत असतो, पुन्हा पुन्हा करत असतो. Okay? So now till yet we have seen that what are the actions were known as, and at the same time we have seen different action words. But now we will know more about it. आतापर्यंत जे काही आपण शिकलो त्याच्या पुढचं आता आपण जाणून घेणार आहोत. Let's read some verbs tell us what is happening. There are some verbs which help us to tell what is happening now, this moment, today, at this moment. She is writing, he is reading. So these children are doing those actions now at this moment. Or some verbs are helping you to tell what has happened in the past. Yesterday, day before yesterday, when you were in standard third, when you were 1 year old. Okay, so there are some verbs which help you to tell what has happened in the past. Or there are some verbs which will help you to tell what will happen. Now you will be thinking what Snehal teacher is telling us. Okay, wait. First of all, we will finish reading this. Even when there is no one to do it. Now we will read all the lines again. Some verbs tell us what is happening now, or has happened, or will happen, etc. Even when there is no one to do it. आता याचा अर्थ काय? असे काही वर्ब्स आहेत इंग्लिशमध्ये की जे आपल्याला हे सांगायला मदत करतात की आता ह्या क्षणाला काय चाललंय ऍक्शन. वी हॅव सीन दॅट गर्ल इज रायटिंग, सो शी इज रायटिंग इट नाव. ओके, आता. और हॅज हॅपन्ड, काल काय झालं, परवा काय झालं, तुम्ही 3 वर्षाचे होताना काय झालं, हे जेव्हा आपण बोलतो तेव्हा वी आर युजिंग सम डिफरंट वर्ब्स. ओके, और व्हॉट विल हॅपन इन द फ्युचर, what will be there in, whether it will rain or not tomorrow, or when the school will open, and all these things that will be we are thinking or we are commenting for the future. भविष्य काळात काय होणार आहे हे सांगायला आपण वेगळे वर्ब्स वापरतो. म्हणजे आपण वर्तमान काळासाठी वेगळे वर्ब्स वापरतो, भूतकाळासाठी वेगळे वापरतो आणि भविष्य काळासाठी वेगळे वापरतो. पण हे सुद्धा कधी, आता आपण ह्या वरच्या चित्रांमध्ये बघितलं, वी हॅव सीन दॅट सम ॲनिमल्स ऑर सम चिल्ड्रन दे वेर डुईंग द ऍक्शन. But sometimes it happen when there is no one to do it. We cannot see who is doing that. But still we state that. कधी कधी आपल्या आजूबाजूला निसर्गामध्ये वगैरे अशा गोष्टी घडत असतात की तिकडे करणारं कोणी आपल्याला दिसत नाही. But yes, it happens. म्हणजे काय? We will see with some picture so that idea will be clear to you. Now see. Now it is raining, right? Everyone can see this. तुम्हाला सगळ्यांना माहिती आहे. It is raining. It is raining now. आत्ता पाऊस पडतो. It is raining now. तिथे कोण करणारं आपल्याला दिसतंय का पाऊस पडताना? No. No one we can see. No one is doing this. But yes, it is happening. काहीतरी तिथे चाललंय. पाऊस पडतोय. कोण पाडतंय का तिकडे पाऊस? No. No one is doing it, but still we can see the action is going on. And how can we write this? It's raining. आत्ता ती ऍक्शन होते आहे. It's raining. ओके. आता समजा काल पाऊस पडून गेला असेल. Now it's raining. But if we will think about the past tense. See here. थोड्या वेळापूर्वी सकाळी पाऊस पडला असेल तरी झाडातून पाणी टपकत असताना आपल्याला दिसतं. मग आपण काय म्हणणार? It rained. It rained to us before. It rained in the morning. Right? We see no one is doing the action, but still it has taken place over there. आपल्याला दिसत नाही कोणी हे केलंय, पण येस ते झालंय आपल्याला माहिती आहे. And we have to describe that. So we use raining in present tense. Now it is happening. It rained, which is already has happened. And look at the next picture. If you will see this picture, what will you see? What you will say? असं जेव्हा वातावरण होतं तेव्हा आपण सगळे काय म्हणतो किंवा घरातली मोठी माणसं काय म्हणतात जेव्हा आकाशात काळे ढग येतात? All dark clouds gather in the sky. We say that it will rain. कुठल्याही क्षणाला पाऊस सुरू होईल. It will rain. So in different 3 states I have explained you. It is raining now, it has rained, and it will rain. See, it is raining. It rained or it has rained and it will rain. So we are using different verbs over there. Okay? One more picture of nature, beautiful rainbow. How can you describe this? Which words you will use for describing this picture? Rainbow appeared in the sky. So beautiful rainbow. And we say that rainbow appeared in the sky. Appeared. Right? So these are different words we use to express the things which are happening around us. Now you can see here what these children are doing. They are dancing or they are jumping. They are so happy. Look at their faces. They are smiling. Why are they dancing or why are they smiling or why are they jumping? Because they are happy. How are the children? They are happy. Whenever you are happy, you dance, you jump, you smile, you laugh, so you show your happiness. Right? Now look at the sentence which I have written under that picture. They are happy. Now see, look at the word in white. Are. So this is also a verb. Okay, we are learning verb. We are showing the action words. But here we are learning more about some different verbs. आता ह्या verbs ना काय म्हणतात हे तुम्ही नंतर शिकणार आहात. पण लक्षात घ्या हे सुद्धा verbs असतात. Not only drink, play, watch, jump, dance एवढेच verbs नसतात. तर आणखीन पण काही वेगळे verbs असतात. ते त्यांची मी तुम्हाला फक्त आज ओळख करून देणार आहे. So here in this sentence, are is a verb. And what it is called, केव्हा वापरतात, त्याला काय म्हणतात, we will see that. Some verbs describe a state. These verbs are used to describe. Okay, some verbs describe a state. It shows the condition, in which condition those children are. They are happy. Children are happy. So here not only action words are known as verbs, but some verbs are different and they describe a state. State means a condition. Okay, condition of mind or condition of anything. So some verbs used to describe a state. Here we have seen that they are happy now. At this moment they are happy. Okay. Now you can see, who is this? Which animal is this? ओळखा बरं कोण आहे हा? Look at him very carefully. And what is the speciality of this animal? Yes, you are right. So can we write that sentence? Rhinoceros has a big horn on its nose. You can see there a big horn on its nose. So we have written that sentence and look at the word which is in different color, that is in white. What is that word? Has. It shows the state of the rhinoceros or the condition, how the rhinoceros is. Rhinoceros has a big horn on its nose. We are using that word to show how does rhinoceros look or what it has other than other animals, which other animals don't have, and it has a big horn on its nose. आपण बघा बाळांनो मगाशी एक शब्द वापरला, they are happy. इथे शब्द आहे has. हे सुद्धा verbs आहेत. आता ह्या verbs ना वेगळं नाव आहे पण आपण ते नंतर शिकणार आहोत. ओके. आता तुम्ही लक्षात घ्यायचं की are, has, is, am हे सुद्धा verbs आहेत आणि ते त्या त्या वस्तूची अवस्था किंवा कंडिशन किंवा कसं आहे ते दाखवतात. ओके. मुद्दाम तुम्हाला मी इथे मराठीत सांगते म्हणजे तुम्हाला ते आणखीन चांगलं कळेल. Shall we move on? Boys' favorite game. What these two boys are doing? Which game are they playing? Can we name them Amit and Sumit? How can you write that sentence? Amit and Sumit play football every afternoon. After the school, they play football. Read that sentence again. Amit and Sumit play football every afternoon. So here look at the word with different color. Which is that word? Yes, play. So here no, you know play is an action word. An action word means a verb. So here now you know we have learned many action words or verbs and different types of verbs also. So a sentence with a verb expresses a complete thought or idea. If you skip the word play, see we will read that sentence without play. Amit and Sumit football every afternoon. Listen it again. Amit and Sumit football every afternoon. काय अर्थ कळला तुम्हाला या सेंटेन्सचा? जर आपण त्याच्यातून प्ले काढून टाकून वाचलं तर Amit and Sumit football every afternoon. You will say, Snell teacher, what they do with football every afternoon? We do not get the complete meaning of that sentence if you not use the verb in that sentence. So a sentence with a verb expresses a complete thought or idea. If you want to give the complete meaning or what is an idea is, then you have to use a verb in each and every sentence. एखाद्या वाक्यातलं तुम्ही जर verb गाळून बघितलं तर त्या वाक्याला काहीच अर्थ आपल्याला लागत नाही. We will see one more sentence. See here, what is it? A beautiful house, right? It is a beautiful house. But a beautiful house It is not a complete sentence. So we will write a complete sentence. They have a big and beautiful house. They have a big and beautiful house. So now you got the complete idea about their house, right? So they have, see here, have is a verb. Has, are, have, play. So we need a verb to express a complete thought or idea. Without a verb, that sentence is meaningless, or you cannot guess what the teller has to express. Okay? कुठलंही वाक्य अर्थपूर्ण होण्यासाठी आपल्याला त्याच्यामध्ये वर्ब वापरायची खूप आवश्यकता असते. Now you can see here are some action words. After watching this video, I know it is not enough that you will just watch it for one time. एकदा वाचून हे आपल्याला पटकन लक्षात नाही येणार. You rewatch it. पुन्हा पुन्हा हा बघा आणि इथे मी तुम्हाला काही action words with pictures दिलेले आहेत. You try to make your own sentence. Okay, with these actions. Now there is a workshop in your book, and from that workshop I have opted for one activity. Let's see what that activity is. Read any paragraph from the passage. Can you find any sentence without a verb? Okay, from your book, read any paragraph from any passage, any lesson, and try to find out any sentence without a verb. पुस्तक उघडायचं, कुठलाही एक पॅराग्राफ वाचायचा आणि हे शोधून काढायचं की एखादा तरी असं वाक्य तिकडे आहे का की ज्याच्यामध्ये वर्ब नाहीये. सो फॉर दॅट सेक यू हॅव टू रीड इट व्हेरी केअरफुली. आय विल शो यू वन एक्झाम्पल ओव्हर हियर. हियर इज अ स्मॉल पॅसेज, अ पॅराग्राफ फ्रॉम दॅट पॅसेज फ्रॉम सोमदत्ताज लेसन. आपण ही स्टोरी बघितलेली आहे. आफ्टर अ फ्यू इयर्स Somadatta became a wealthy merchant in the town. One day he asked the goldsmith to make him a small golden mouse. He took the mouse to the rich merchant. Now these are only 3 sentences. If you read these sentences carefully, you will find there are verbs in this paragraph. Let's underline those words. See, Somadatta became. Then one day he asked the goldsmith to make him a small golden mouse, and he took the mouse to the rich merchant. Okay, so just within 3 sentences we got 4 verbs. So you can understand the importance of the verb in any sentence. So after watching this video, as I told you, rewatch the video, watch it again and again. Try to understand the terms which I have explained you in today's video, and try to do this activity on your own. हा व्हिडिओ पाहिल्यानंतर पुन्हा पहा. तुमच्यासाठी मी मराठीत पण एक्सप्लेन केलेला आहे, ते नीट ऐका आणि जी ऍक्टिव्हिटी सांगितली आहे ती तुम्ही करा. ओके. That's all for today. So you will revise whatever we have learned in today's session. Please subscribe the channel and press the notification button to get the link of next video. Bye bye.